Is your game too flashy or do you want to amp up the visuals in Smash Party? Here's how to turn those special effects on or off in just a few taps. Hey everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on or turn off special effects in Smash Party. So without any further ado, let's get started. Start by opening the Smash Party app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and ready to dive into the settings. On the main screen, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Here you'll see an option that says SFX. You'll also find a toggle or checkbox next to the special effects option. Switch it on to enjoy vibrant visuals or turn it off if you prefer a simpler or smoother gameplay experience. Some versions of the game might ask you to confirm changes by tapping Save or Apply. If you see that option, be sure to click it. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the special effects in Smash Party to match your style. Thanks for watching Make Gaming Easy. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.